Hello there, this is Craig Hain, and I'm a mathematician and a math teacher. And this is our website, homeschoolmathematics.com. It's a division of Triad Math Inc. And our mission at Homeschool is to help any student receive a great math education that's appropriate for his or her interests in life, and certainly to help that student to become a math winner, even though perhaps now they're not doing very well at math, they don't like math, but they certainly can if it's taught to them properly. And it's very important that it mesh up with their interest in life. There's a lot of different directions a student could go, and you need to tailor the math program to some degree to that whole point. Now, on this website, we have many tabs at the top, and we have short videos on each one of these tabs that you may have received or you can look at. And today, we're going to talk about the Math Crusader. We're on a crusade to help all students obtain a superior math education, and we're certainly enlisting the aid of anyone who shares that vision or concept or mission with us. And so we're asking everyone that is interested to become a Math Crusader. Now, what does that mean? Well, first of all, a Math Crusader can be any organization that is interested in doing this. It can be a company or a not-for-profit organization that's interested in homeschooling. It can be a student that's already been through our program, understands the benefits, wants to tell other people about it. It can be a parent, same thing. In other words, it's any organization or person that understands the principles that we are guided by in our presentation of mathematics, both the pedagogical and content principles, and they're espoused, of course, in our books. Now, a crusader is invited to and empowered to tell anybody about the program that they want to, simply by referring them to a special web page that will be just for the Crusader only. So for example, if you were a Crusader, this might be your web page. And all you're really doing is you're telling people to go to your web page and to get a great book that explains math education, how to do it, a free copy. You're not selling anything as a Crusader. All your job is to tell people about the possibilities and get them to do it. And then your page at the bottom, you would have, if you choose to, your picture, or it could be an avatar, your name, where you're located from, whatever information you care to give out, and a testimonial. This happens to be Debbie Goodman's testimonial that we used. We have several Crusaders already doing this, and so this is the kind of thing you'd be doing. Now, if you are a Crusader, then, of course, the first thing that happens is the people that you tell about us are going to be given a 25% discount. In other words, you're going to give them a coupon code. So instead of $197, they're going to be able to buy the program for $147, the Practical Math Foundation. On top of that, if you're commercial, if this is a commercial venture, you can actually earn commissions based on this. In other words, if you're going to make a bit of a business out of it and really work at it, then there are some commissions available, and we can discuss that with you on an individualized basis. Depends entirely on who you are and how you're going to do it and what you're going to do and so on. We certainly have to approve anything that you do. For example, you cannot make any kind of false claims or statements that are in any way incorrect. But as long as you're doing a good job, then we're perfectly happy to compensate you because, after all, that's part of marketing costs. Now, to become a Crusader, the most important thing is to help teachers deliver the best possible math training to their students. You can be rewarded, as I said earlier. If you're like a homeschool parent and you just want to tell other people, it may not be in the form of actual dollars. It might be discounts on future purchases you make. You can help other Crusaders. You'll be part of a larger group. Ultimately, what our goal is to improve our society and our economy by helping all students get a great math education. As a matter of fact, we homeschoolers are kind of like the Davids of the world. We're using new technology, modern technology, and we're going to try to get the Goliaths of the world, that is all of our public schools and private schools, to change the math curriculum. We're really trying to be a catalyst for change. That's our ultimate goal, as we would like to see all students, even those going to schools, regular schools, get a good math education. And of course, one way we can do that is by setting an example. If enough homeschool students are excelling at math and everybody sees that's happening and they see the technologies we're using to do it and the pedagogical techniques, then that may ultimately encourage the other schools to do it. And that is our ultimate goal, actually. Now, what's it cost you to become a Crusader? Well, of course, absolutely nothing. You just simply have to be qualified based on the qualifications I told you, and away we go. This is not a multi-level marketing opportunity or anything like that. It's really not designed, although you might make some money doing it, particularly if you're a business aimed at homeschool students, that would be fine, but that's not the primary goal. The goal is to achieve our mission to help students get a great math education. So if you're interested in becoming a Crusader, come to our website, look at this, sign up for it, join, and we will be delighted to have you engage with us in this wonderful crusade and mission we're on. This is Craig Hain. I wish you the very best in your future, and I hope that we can work together.